Rebel, are you a part of any gangs?
No, sir.
No gang affiliation.
No.
What would you say to the youths who might want to be a part of a gang?
Not worth it.
You lose any of your friends to gang violence?
Yeah, many friends to gang violence.
Yeah.
But that is a whole next conversation because certain youths and situations where they don't have choices.
Sure.
You know?
Why you think it's like that though? Why you think that youths
The
have no choice?
environment, the home,
Yeah.
lack of leaders.
Fact.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great again. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your notification button. Country boss. That's for you. You understand? I don't want to get in trouble. But me have to act kind of retarded when it comes to country boss. Me have to say, country boss, hit your notification button. It's an inside joke. Now, country girl, big up yourself. Nuclear, big up. Silent, 306, JA man. Everybody big up on yourself. Now, start a little interview at the beginning of this thing. Taking you guys to Trinidad and Tobago. And what happened down there with this guy right here, Rebel Sixx. Now, I am not going to re-say the same thing like all these other talking heads out here. Them just a talk about this youth, yeah. And at the end of the day, them still don't know who killed the youth, yeah. Still a mystery to me. So guess what? That's what I am going to talk about in that thing. I kind of analyze it and give my perspective. That's what I'm saying. Follow the equation. So now everybody know the story. And like myself, I'm going to go over it. And kicking them door, 2 man, and step up in there and blow him with some grains, yo, and about 17 to 20 times him get stitched up. And the police them say it's gang affiliated. Now, I just had to analyze that thing and that. Because to me, it seems like, and this is just my opinion, I'm close friend them get rid of him. Him close friend them get rid of him. Yeah, I'm friend them dash him away. We're going to get into that in a little bit, but my thing is why them doing like that. And that are the question. Why the man them doing like that? Me feel I'm friend them, and I try to figure out why them doing like that. Now, his manager don't even want to show him face and get an interview in the news media and say, Rebel Sixx, playing a no gang thing and just sing about gang. You see what I'm saying? But in the interview I play in front, it kind of seemed like him have gang affiliation, but him nah. If you look at the little clip of the interview, you can see how his body language is really terrible. Him have some really terrible body language. Even how him sit down when the interviewer asked him certain things, him look down, One time, him go down, him scratch him foot, and him look down when him attack. That's a sign of misrepresenting what you're saying. You see what I'm saying? If you don't believe me, you can just do your own little research on body language. You see what I'm saying? So, like me I said, my thing is, why would his friends do him like that? I'm more explore that in my mind to kind of have some kind of sanity about this, because this is still a mystery to me. No, when him dead, them did I say Prince Swanee have something to do with it. But I don't think so. I don't think him have anything to do with it. Like I said, I think it's his friends and it's gang affiliated, like with the police them say. No, we can just break down and analyze what we have. Him there in him house, I play a video game. When I'm cousin must in a bathroom, asleep. I mean a bed. You can't sleep in a bathroom. And some man come. Now, the party is sketchy. Them kick in the door or him let them in. It seems like him let them in. Or open the door. Because one thing with me, I don't open the door for the man in a black suit and nobody with me don't know. And I don't stand up in front of the door. If I say who is it, I stand to the side. I get on my barn and grow. Plus I watch enough TV. So a shotgun blast can go right through your clock door. If them know, if people understand that, and bullet go right through the wooden door. Because your door no bulletproof like the Justice Department them and the police them. Okay? So, yeah, it seemed like he opened the door. Man them probably say, yo, Rebel, I mean, John Tom. So, all right. Man, the count boy, I open the door. And when he opened the door, I tell you, man, the county get his shit banged out, man. I don't know, say, countryman can't talk Trini. So, it seems like whoever, on a serious note, whoever come they know him and then let them in. And then them stitch him up and them leave. So it's a direct hit. And the police them now investigate. I don't know which police worse. Jamaican police or Trinidadian police. It's like them two set of police there. It's like them got the same police school to blow out. You understand? Because all the thing will go down with our youth named Sandman, like a police operation that to be. But woman. But yeah. So the youth here, no one straight from what I say. Me feel I'm friend and the police them come out and say that a gang affiliation. No, like me say, the man them come in my yard. If he was hot on certain things, he would have flex like how Tommy Lee flex. I drive with gun and them thing there. But you can see him now program like that. It seems like he might try leave them company. It seems like he might try leave them company. and leave out of them and the man them come on car. Me I say the only time man do you like that, if you's a drunk crow. I mean the thing said that you turn on a drunk crow. All him a do mute, but it look like he kinda get cocky around the man them. And you know it go. You understand? Once you get cocky around certain and you start make money, and it seem like you have a lot of that I go on a Trinidad, enough dancehall artists over there get slapped where. And it just seems like back in the days when Jamaican thing did a blow up with Shabba them and Ninja. But the man you know is a different mindset. Cause the man them actually I take the thing serious. Cause the man them the artists them for whatever reason align themselves with certain gang, I guess the neighborhood you come from. Sort of like Tommy Lee and the Sparta gang and Rebel Sixx them in a mobile. I saw like the man them a program over Trinidad. I guess this is the new way how the man them a do the thing. But yeah, me feel say I'm friend them killing. Like what Sherlock Holmes say, when everything look impossible, that's when it becomes possible.
News a local dancehall artist, identified as Kyle George, alias Rebel Sixx, was shot and killed around midnight in Bonaire Gardens, Aruca. According to police, George was playing video games when two men dressed in black broke into the house and shot him over 20 times about the body. The attack happened just about after 1 o'clock on Monday. George died on the scene. The artist previously released songs such as Fully Dunce and Rifle War and premiered the video for his latest song, Dem No, only 2 days ago. Rebel Sixx was also part of the International Soca Monarch 2020, appearing in the Zessa segment in
Well, when I just watch that clip there, and when I see how the man them doing really, really bad. And like I say, but Sherlock Holmes say, when it looks impossible, that's when it becomes possible. This look like an inside job, and this look like a jealousy. This look like he might try to break away from the crew there. You see what I'm saying? All this to me look like it's coming from his friends them and nobody else. I know the Muslim gang, I know the other set of man them, can't get to him that easy. You understand? Like in any homicide, the police them start with your friends and family. You understand? And people close to you. So his death is still a mystery to me, but me feel like it come from him friend them from the inside. And that's my opinion. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your notification button. And check out the WhatsApp group. And check out the membership section. Countryman, I'm out.